Manipur celebrates Christmas, marking the birth of Jesus Christ with religious fervor and gaiety. BJP Manipur Pradesh celebrates Good Governance Day. Chief Minister Biren asserts he fears none in fighting for protection of the state's territorial integrity. Foundation stone for 50-bedded Ayush hospital laid at Kairao Bitra. Health Minister Jayanta Kumar appeals for people's support in keeping the hospital clean. And children of fake encounter victim reel under poverty. Akomlup Kanglaipak presents humble Christmas gifts to the children. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Both the hills and valley of Manipur joined the rest of the world in celebrating Christmas, marking the birth of Jesus Christ. Christians in the state attended Christmas church services since early this morning. Churches were fully decorated and all decked up for the festival. Special prayers in the name of Jesus Christ were held in churches across the state and people exchanged the season's greetings with each other. Pastors and church leaders delivered the message of love and compassion of Jesus Christ to the people. Church goers sang hymns of praises to Jesus Christ. Houses and churches were seen decorated with Christmas stars and other brightly colored items. After the morning services, many parishioners were witnessed celebrating the festival by singing and other entertainment activities, followed by sumptuous feasts. Church goers continued singing Christmas hymns as they visit door to door with season's greetings.
Taibang pan ba miyo bigi demata mahangna lakpiraga ing thatap thana nungsi sanana lenena ba taibang pan se khana sena badagi amaga ama nungsina da badagi mayam se adugi mayam su kopinaraga nungsi ba maikaida sanana ba isorgi aseng balambi da sanana ba adugi maikaida sapni
isor khoi gi damakta yam nungsidana macha nipa amakhakta leijaba si khoi gi damakta thabirakpa ase yamna maru oye khoi gi damaktani habase khoi wakhalda lausin jare haraga yamna maru oye na khalle nungsiba natana khoi kari cho afaba hena porak ningai leite nungsiba na loina porak pangamgani.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also organized a program to celebrate Christmas at Congress Bhavan today. Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee T. Mangi Babu, General Secretary Vidyapati Senjum and members of the party were present at the celebration. Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Karam Shyam attended Christmas celebrations at Laiching Maipo Baptist Church in Laiching Maipo Village, Machi block of Technopole district. The minister appreciated the villagers for upholding the traditional customs and rituals of the forefathers. The minister was accorded rousing welcome by the villagers led by village chief and the village elders. Laiching Maipo village has just 60 households and a population of 600 people. Minister Karam Shyam said love conquers all and urged the villagers to follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. He said, irrespective of one's faith, we all have a sense of duty to ourselves and to one another to make a difference in the world. He also promised to help the villagers in developing the area by approaching the concerned MLA, Deputy Commissioner and other officials. Cultural dance and other performances of Marine tribe were performed to mark the celebration. Revenue Commissioner T.H. Chittaranjan, CAF and PD Director Ranjan Yumna, Deputy Secretary Revenue Y. Rajend and other officials were among those present at the event. Christmas celebrations were also held in various churches in Bishnupur district. People sang hymns and read the Holy Bible to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. A pastor in his Christmas message appealed to people to shun away sinful ways and embrace the holy message of God. India's 10th former Prime Minister and leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, Atal Bihari Vajpayee's 92nd birthday is being celebrated as Good Governance Day across the country today. BJP Manipur Pradesh also organized an event to mark the day at BJP office in Nityai Pachutek. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren asserted that he has no fear to fight for protecting the territorial integrity of Manipur and that he will be always in the forefront to sacrifice for the state. Biren assured that the BJP-led state government would always support well-intended welfare causes of the people. He reiterated that his government would fight against any forces which are against the interests of the people of the state. He highlighted that the BJP government envisions to uplift and empower the poor and the destitute in the society. He said Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birthday is celebrated as Good Governance Day as all the initiatives and schemes taken up by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP government for the welfare of the people and for uplifting the downtrodden is following up of BJP's leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee's desired and intended works. Biren said government necessitates close ties between the public and those in governance. He assured that the BJP government will put all out efforts not to betray its people's trust. He also pointed out that some parties are trying to portray the BJP in a bad light by accusing that BJP only announces schemes without converting them into works. The Chief Minister also said that the BJP-led government is monitoring day and night to ensure that all of its welfare projects and works declared are put into work for the welfare of the people.
Northeast amadi Manipur lay minerba koi kangrum machine se koi amato ina lay jage ko have message ai si machet amada ma laihan amada ma laihan tobino have yam human approach fact history in the background oiba backup oiba du mapot mayam ko tawraga honari ai gi voice delhi yore ai gi voice delhi na tagani soidana nana assembly dasu ai da ki bolite laiwa ki damakta zati si ki damakta koi punna अपुनबगी सक्तम कन्नबगी दमकता बीजेपी की लेरिबा सरकार दा मदे बीजेपी की लेरिबा कार्यकर्ता सिंदा अकीबा मत लेते लैबा की दमकता दे कोई मांग थाना कोई सैक्रिफाइस तौगनी है
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar and Kairao MLA Laurimbam Rameshwar laid the foundation stone for the construction of 50-bedded Ayush Hospital at Kairao Bitra in Imphal East District today. Speaking at the ceremony, Health Minister Jayantakumar said there is no good hospital other than Janims and TB Center Hospital in Imphal East District. He said Kairao Bitra was selected to build the Ayush Hospital to ease the inconveniences facing the people. Jayantakumar appealed to the people of the constituency to support in keeping the hospital clean and in its smooth functioning. The minister disclosed that there is also a plan to establish a regional level disease control institute soon in an area of Kairao constituency with the consent of the people. He said a location for the has been identified. Jayantakumar said the government finds it difficult to fulfill the demand of the people as the state has no resource of its own and the government has budget constraints. The minister maintained that the state needs to try to create its own resource. He appealed to the people of the state to cultivate the useful medicinal plants in the state to boost the economy.
Healthcare sector Shidejda Yembakanda अखिलेरे इम्फालिस्ट अखोगी परम्परागी जेनिम्स हॉस्पिटल ले अतो अतो जगह सिरीदा कोई टीवी सेंटर ले लैरगे सोकनि यामना पुनिंग लुमना प्रजागी सेवा से मवोंग ताना अखोइना डिलीवर तोबंग मखलगी कनोति लेतब चुमनगी चमचमना काइराव खक्तगी चुमनगी चमचमना मणिपुर खक्तगी नतब रीजनल लेवल ला लगितब मखलगी रीजनल डिजीज कंट्रोल अदुकी इंस्टीट्यूट अमसु वशाना बन कन्न तौरी
Speaking at the event, Kairao MLA Rameshwar said the constituency, which is not so far away from the heart of Imphal city, is still very inadequate in the health sector. He highlighted the lack of 2 primary health sub-centre in the constituency, resulting in a lot of inconveniences for the people. Rameshwar said the difficulties and inconveniences facing the people will be done away with once the Ayush hospital is functional. He added that the constituency also lacks in education sector and the government has plans to take up developmental works in various sectors in the constituency. Director of Ayush, Dr. A. Guneshwar and Pradhan of Gram Panchayat Kangabam Chorjit were among those present at the event.
Ayush the Natabida, Helmis and Tapi, when the Lambulega de Sinataba, Tongan, Helka, Malena, Can Gamen Yuta with a plan, Mayam Sinja, the Lamopira de Toby have a Tazam and people see them so. Hagasari, and I Helmis means Saramadi, Dr. Madiko in ancient hygienic Mamma, Yamtuni Aragati, Question Liba, Janawai Tasiki, highly believe a Sang City innovation, Dorokanda, OPD, Hambi Habsimajo, Kushal Hajari.
People in Ward Number 1 under Thongju Part 2 Gram Panchayat have boycotted the Pradhan and member of the Gram Panchayat women of Ward Number 1, Namai Rakpam Lekai, stormed the residence of MLA of Thongju constituency, Minister Thongam Biswajit, demanding works under NREGA. Addressing media persons at Namai Rakpam Lekai, Binabon Leira Community Hall today, people in the area expressed that a public meeting for Ward Number 1 was held demanding works under NREGA. However, absence of Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat lowered the attendance of the people and only 130 job card holders attended the meeting. The member of Ward Number 1 announced that only those 130 job card holders will be given works under NREGA. Upon being inquired about the remaining job card holders, the ward member gave no comments as a response, and so a decision was made to call for another public meeting. However, when all-out efforts were made to convey the public meeting, including Zilla Parishad today, absence of the Pradhan and the member angered the public, which led them to storm the MLA's residence. The job card holders appealed the MLA and concerned authorities to look into the matter at the earliest.
Thongju Part 2 Gram Panchayat ki Ward Number 1 gida job card holder chani ga yankhai humthoi lebada chama ga kunthra dangi thabak suba phangale aremba chama ga kuln ga humthoi do thabak suba phangan biu habani meeting ama muk sinbada pradhan masala u yadre member masa nga hak thorami Pradhan ka wasakhi badagi halaktre Zilla Parishad sunga Pradhan bu ngairaga leiramle pung ahum mari mu suba phangaudriba mi singjida job card suba phangan biu habani mana hadu haijabada yadrabanina Ward Number 1 gi member ga Pradhan ga boycott tawjari MLA amadi mari leinaba singsina yengsin biu.
Makhaleka in Haingang constituency was robbed at gunpoint last night. ASI in charge at Lamphal police station assaulted the owner of the house who went to report the robbery. House of Yumkam Sudhir Roy, 49 years son of late Lokeshwar Roy, was broken into by unknown miscreants around 8 last night. 4 armed robbers escaped with properties worth around 8 lakh rupees and 4 more around 45 gram of gold. A report has been registered at Lamphal police station and a forensic team has examined the house this morning. Speaking to media persons, the witness of the incident, Yumkam Ongbi Ranjana, wife of Yumkam Sudhir Roy, appealed to the authority concerned to find out the truth and those involved in the incident. Yumkam Sudhir Roy was a cab driver and Yumkam Ongbi Ranjana earns the bread of the family by selling kabok rice cake at Khwairamban, Kaithil.
Makhoi mari lae koi mapagi maming ta Sudhir leibro haina yam khangna hange aduda e khangba male haraga khoi su thoga karigino dugino na hangkanda e maga tinabani ai khoi sumaina ma hangba lakpani kainomta pot amta thamamgena paw phongna ba yaraga dimta phongna biu khoi mobile somte yaudre kadai dagino hai bakanda e lamlong dagini Roshan kawi haraga dum khangni ichanupa da phone to kholona habdagi ichanupa ni imung changraga changgiba timing du da ina angang tholakte na yengi ngai khitang khong kanjalakpa moina dum moi marina dum question gre ichanupa ta pairaga puthokraga machin kaika loina punjala makhut punjala thamre ada aina angang karom da thamino na aina yengba chakana nang chang kanu wai yam ngangena masi wai yam ngangena ingon dong pun ba hore dai ai chinje phajalaga moina aina wa ngang ba se chin phajalaga khut upu hangu kholu mayam tawba hore.
On the other hand, Yumkam Sudhir Roy alleged that the ASI who did not wear uniform stationed at Lamphal police station assaulted him when he went to report the incident. Sudhir Roy stated that it is quite disheartening to witness such treatment from police personnel who are in service to help people in trouble. He urged authority concerned to take befitting action as the police personnel. Henjunuha Youth Organization, Rising Athletic Union and Women Development Organization have jointly submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister N. Biren regarding the matter.
Lampen police station dane modu without uniform da kada kupang nam tari khongpang gaure ai isa nupa gi mamang da adu mayam isa nupa gi mamang gi matak ta mayam lairiba mayam si mamang da isa gi mamang da phobuse masi madi koi paung hobi no na thami masi madi nungai jate lokap te injalo na lokap manung wok ta kawra ga pusale adu ka lokap di manung da bok ti tamde adu maya bok ti pusale complain nam takkan satpa kan na sumai taw na tamadi atoba kan police station da kamai to complain chatta ge hawe gi pose masi madi tamjeninge police station na mayam gi tabak to watch da siang na mission mikai nai da irian jana lebak ngakpi di senbi ni haibe poche masi madi thaman janinge Lampen police station dane.
Inmates of All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Person Welfare Organization at Mongsangai in Imphal West were presented with food items in memory of Laishram Desobanta from Oripok Sorponthingil on his 10th death anniversary. Late Desobanta's mother, Ranjana, and family members distributed the food items. Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal also distributed eatables and other items under its monthly project to all Manipur Mentally Handicapped Persons Welfare Organization located in Mongsangai. Today, President of Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal, Rotarian Birla Haubichum said many programs were carried out under the project in the past and many more will be held in the future. He said the project was initiated for the welfare of the people in the state. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur and Disabled Development Association Manipur jointly organized a home-based counseling program today. The counseling cum awareness program was held at Oinam Sawungbung Mayang Imphal, Wangoi Sekmaijin and Santhil Mamang Leka in Imphal West and Taubal district. The counseling program witnessed a family with 3 mentally retarded members. It also witnessed some families totally ignorant about how to procure disability certificates to avail various disabilities benefits, exposing the lack of awareness given by the Department of Social Welfare. The concerned authorities are appealed to look into the matter. Sekmai police seized large amount of foreign liquor and country liquor while checking vehicles plying on Sekmai Road today. The team led by Sekmai Police Station in charge S.I. Joy Kumar conducted a checking operation from 8 this morning to 12 noon. The operation was conducted to prevent accident and any untoward incident in connection with the Christmas festival and the coming New Year. As a part of the drives against drugs and intoxicants by Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) in the state, CADA Bishnupur District Committee, Bishnupur Ward number 5, 6, 7, Apun Bamaira Paibi Loop and Bishnupur Police Station jointly demonstrated rally chanting slogans in and around Bishnupur Ward number 5, 6 and 7 in Bishnupur District on December 23rd. CADA said such rallies and drives against drugs and intoxicants will be carried out even in future and sought for people's support and cooperation. A branch of National Identity Protection Council (NIPCO) was opened at Hairok yesterday. NIPCO in a press release said the office bearers of the executive committee of the branch were also nominated. Koplum Kang Kom, a 20-year-old boy whose father was killed in a fake encounter case, lamented that he did not know whom to approach to get justice. He said they have received no help from the governments so far. Kublunthang Kom's father, as Tongpu Kom from Ngakhapat Kom village in Saikul constituency, was found dead with multiple gunshots after he was abducted from his house 6 years ago by some persons at Chirang spinning mill. Kublunthang Kom related that he was just 13 years old when his father was abducted by some underground surrenderers and later shot dead by the Indian Army on a false charge of being a member of an underground outfit. He said he had no option and could not stand up against the killing of his father as he was then a child. Kublunthang Kom has been taking care of his 3 younger sisters as his mother remarried a year before his father died. The cottage which the brother and the sisters are living also built by the villagers earlier this year. Except for the helps from the villagers, they have not received any help from the government. Kublunthang Kom said he faces a lot of difficulties in taking care of his sisters' education and household, being the eldest in the family, even though one of his sisters lived with their grandmother at Tarung. He said he quit his job as an interstate bus driver as he could not leave his sisters alone at home. Later, he served as a private school bus driver. However, he quit as the meager salary could not run the family, and now he does not have any work he finds from day to day. On the other hand, Akom Lup Kangleipak presented blankets and provided financial help to the family as Christmas gifts. The organization said it will continue to provide possible help to the family.
Wabadi wadi habadi ade makoi singbusu wana hone mahima singbusu tamnangai masung mamane singa habadi hingma matamda changda yada potlam chaba thakpada bu oibusu setpa chabda bu oibusu makoi singbu aina kitang do oibusu sembi bangamne honabda engoda jamna wabadi oi asi fauda imai pa sakraban tungdai karigumba amta su pangmadi leite khungi leiba khungi alaman singna su makoi su matik manga leba basang sapaiba khungi mi sing leitabanina Nopado yang biba natram tanoi kibikta khoi imungsu yang simbibadi ngamde isini nauna leiba yum sisu khonsida leiba alaman amasung khoi bu konbiragli bai pu khoi me amna chan bagida wada honda sabi mi phatta basing ma bu pubiraga na harun hai du na tu bi commando na oido ma army ga mukhai pullaga oin
Akom Lup Kangleipak presented Christmas gifts to villagers of Ngakhapat Kom village to strengthen the bond between the people of the hills and valley. The organization presented clothes, blankets, food items and water pipes to the villagers at the 53rd Christmas celebration held at Ngakhapat Baptist Church. Awareness program as a part of Swachh Survekshan 2018 was held at Ward number 19 Yumlembam Laida Sanglen and Ward number 20 Pukrambam Laida Community Hall, Imphal East today. The programs are organized by Imphal Municipal Corporation in association with Ward Development Committee. Speaking as chief guest speech, Municipal Commissioner Imphal Municipal Corporation T.H. Harikumar said that through Citizen Feedback Program, the central government aims to rank all 4,041 cities and towns of the country based on infrastructure development for improved sanitation services and their sustainability outcomes, citizen connect and visible impact on ground. As a part of the program, a green bucket demonstration was also held wherein volunteers of municipal corporation demonstrated how to turn waste materials into fertilizers. Manipur State Legal Service Authority and Legal Aid Clinic Chairap Court Complex jointly organized celebration of Christmas Festival cum one-day legal awareness program at 2 different children homes today. The event was held at Heshi Children Home, Kurai Nandaibam Lekai from 10 this morning and at Kamal Joyti in Luangsangbam from 11:30 this morning. Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar, Executive Chairperson of MASLSA R.K. Memcha and Member Secretary of MASLSA Thokchom Hiralakpa Maitai attended the events. Resource person spoke on child rights as a part of the legal awareness program at the events. Blankets, socks and stationery items were distributed to the children at the events. Apunba Iraipaki Mahiroi Singh Panglup aims in a press release that sent New Year's greetings to the people of the state. AIMS has further appealed to students and teachers to wear traditional attires from the new session 2018-19 onwards. Angels Coaching Center felicitated its excellent students at Lining Tho Kamlangba Community Hall in Uripok Polam Laikai today. Many students from the coaching center who backed positions in the HSLC examination 2016-2017, including Priyanka Maipam, who backed the first position, were awarded at the event. Students who have secured good marks in this year's mock test conducted by the coaching center were also felicitated on the occasion. "52 Women's Society in Moirang constituency were distributed weaving machines today. The distribution was organized by Progressive Front at its office in Moirang Pilem Laikai. Addressing media persons, member of the front, Thongam Santi, asserted that society would develop only when women are empowered economically. He also highlighted a need for timely loans repayment habits. IE Furniture, a manufacturing unit of furniture productions which is the first branch of IFD groups of companies in Manipur, was opened today. The branch was opened at RK Birla Shopping Complex in Singjamai Supermarket. Speaking to Impact News, Managing Director of IFD Groups of Companies, Yengkom Debson, said the manufacturing unit was opened to make available items of various designs, materials and colors in Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ interior products ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ cater ꯇꯧꯏ clients ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ difficulties face ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ product ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ issues ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯇꯕ marketꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ demand ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ furniture netfeeꯒꯤ fundingꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ marketꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ counter ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ furniture ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ.
International Inard Research Forum observed the first International Inard Day at Yashkul Police Lane today. Cultural dance and music performances were the highlight of the observance. Various awards were also presented by the forum on the occasion. Members of Laifrakpam Sagai Punbalub observed 5 minutes silence at the demise of Laifrakpam Ashok Kumar on the 15th of this month, who was a member of Naharol Saitya Premi Samiti. The Cultural Forum Manipur Moirang Kanglei Ishai Singdam Sang and contributed in the promotion of art and culture of the state at its head office in Kakwa, Laifrakpam Laikai yesterday. Meanwhile, Laifrakpam Sagai Chowkhatlub Langthabal also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul. And now the sports news. The 39th Sub-Junior, Junior and the 2nd Senior Artistic and the 2nd Aerobic State Level Gymnastic Championship concluded today at Kumalampak Indoor Stadium. 80 gymnasts, including 32 girls and from 12 gymnastic units in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur district took part in the championship organized by All Manipur Gymnastic Association. Under 8, 10, 12, 14, 17 and above 17 boys and girls competed in different events. Youth Progressive Club Takil won the championship, while District Gymnastic Association Bishnupur was the runners-up of the championship.
When the photo capone, video capone, other wally standards, Hana come to know when to carry to compression to was our policy later. Some Popo Yam Yarba, the young golden sons in Hygeris, Saigi processing, Yaski processing, and the Ariva gymnast, labor copa, Aduma Mayato, around me, Trauma, Namtuna, or the Pony on the video, Batu, Dagis in Postco, as the Tonova.
India finished as runners-up in the SAF Under-15 Women's Championships. India lost to Bangladesh 0-1 in the final at Dhaka yesterday. In a closely contested game, Shamsin Nahar's strike in the 41st minute helped Bangladesh to bag the title. India defeated Bhutan and Nepal in the first two games at group stage. India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan participated in the South Asian Football Federation tournament. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur celebrates Christmas, marking the birth of Jesus Christ with religious fervor and gaiety. BJP Manipur Pradesh celebrates Good Governance Day. Chief Minister Biren asserts he fears none in fighting for protection of the state's territorial integrity. Foundation stone for 50-bedded Ayush Hospital laid at Kairao Bitra. Health Minister Jayanta Kumar appeals for people's support in keeping the hospital clean. And children of fake encounter victim reel under poverty. Akom Luk Kanglaipak presents humble Christmas gifts to the children.